Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying prerequisites because many launch failures are environmental. Check your OS and app version and make sure Alight Motion supports your device. Outdated firmware often blocks startup. Once done, free at least 500 MB of storage and close heavy background apps so memory isn't the bottleneck. Also confirm network access. Disable VPN or proxy briefly because activation or asset downloads can stall. These quick checks remove common roadblocks and prepare you for deeper fixes. Now you move to app-level remedies that resolve corrupted states. First, force stop Alight Motion and relaunch to see if a transient bug clears. If it still fails, clear the app cache. This removes temporary files without losing projects. If issues persist, back up your projects and clear app data or reinstall. Uninstall, reboot the device, then install the latest official build. Reinstalling replaces damaged binaries and often fixes launch crashes caused by incomplete updates or file corruption. Finally, you address system-level causes and finish diagnostics. Update your device OS and GPU drivers because compatibility and driver bugs can prevent apps from opening. Enable hardware acceleration for performance gains when appropriate. Make sure app permissions for storage and media are granted so assets load correctly. If Alight Motion still won't open, collect crash logs or screenshots. Try launching on an alternate device to isolate the problem, and then contact support with the logs.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.